Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change EasyJet Flight. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your EasyJet account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account in EasyJet? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type easyjet.com and that's going to take you into the official website for EasyJet. Once you get into the official website, check the top icon of your screen and click on sign up to create your account. Now, after creating your account and signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on EasyJet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change EasyJet Flight. So from this homepage, you're going to see flight info, you're going to see holidays, you can see cars and transfers, business, booking.com, and manage booking. So head over to the manage booking, don't click on it, just move your cursor there. Then you have these three categories, which include flight bookings, hotel and car bookings, EasyJet holiday bookings. So head over to the flight bookings options and you have this extended menu that include check-in online, amend my flight, reserve a seat, add hold baggage, amend name, add sports equipment, help, and info. So go ahead and click on amend my flight. And that takes you here. So you can just click on this view bookings and find your booking. So go ahead and look at the flight that you want to make changes to or you want to make amends to from this homepage. After finding your booking, you might be asked to add your booking reference number. If you don't know where to find it, check your email, your confirmation email after placing your booking and copy your reference number. So after doing that, then find your flight. After finding your flight, go ahead and check for the change flight category. And once you go ahead and click on that category, now you can be able to change your name, you can change your seats, just do whatever you want to do. Just change your flight, change your flight date, change your flight details. However, you're going to find that in change flight category. So select your booking, it takes you to the next window. You have the change your flight category. You can click on that and make any amends, remove a passenger, add a passenger, change your flight name, change your let's say add your passport, just whatever you want to do there, just freestyle, and you'll be able to change your flight. You can also change your flight date. However, just find them. You can find them in this my bookings window. Select your flight, make changes, and you're good to go. So you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.